Hey there, welcome back to Spirit of a Handyman. Today we're going to take this opening and we're going to put a pocket door in there. Now, I've never done a pocket door before, but I've been told that it's pretty easy. So I watched a YouTube video. That guy made it seem pretty easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it, and I'll just let you know if I can do it on my first try, then you can do it on your first try. And I hope that this video empowers the spirit of a handyman inside of you. Let's check this out together. The basic scope of this project is that we need to remove the drywall from this side of the wall, because on the other side there's this wallpaper border going along, and I don't want to have to try to cut that out and save it or rehang it. So we're going to actually try to keep all of that drywall on that left side of the wall. It's already taped, it's already mudded. That'll save us time. So in order to do that, we have to remove the drywall from the side to expose it. Of course, we had to move those electric wires, the switch and everything, relocate that elsewhere. Then we used a multi-tool with a metal blade to get rid of any screws and nails holding the framing in at that section. Once you get rid of the framing, you can just pull those pieces off to clear an opening for a pocket door kit that's sold by Lowe's, Home Depot, Menards, whoever you get your local stuff from. So here's what we were left with after we had the space for the pocket door kit. You see the wires have been moved at this point. So we're able to put that in. Had to put a level on it and make a couple adjustments. But after we got that nice and level, we were able to screw that into place. And that is now going to hold up that header above it. We had to install the drywall and use just little 1-inch screws because I didn't want the screw tips to go through and hit the door once that was closed. You see it kind of wobbling here. I'm not crazy about this design because these are just like 1x4s. It's not a strong wall. Of course, after all the drywall gets mounted, it does make it a bit stronger. But this is a pocket door kit that's designed to go in the place of a 2x4 wall. And so you got to replace something. After we get that in place, get the drywall mounted, we kick out those little spacers. Installing the track system was pretty easy. I think it was installed 2 inches from the edge of the door on either side. And then you see those little locking hinges on there. Those just lock on to the top track. And it's in. Pretty easy. As long as you did your homework and made sure that the kit was level, then the door will open and close just fine. And as long as it was level, there should be a nice even reveal along that wall, supposing that that was level. The last piece is just installing some trim to hide the reveal on the top and sides of the door. We put casing on the sides and then got this little 1x2 strip and just nailed that in place. Afterwards, went through with some wood putty, filled it, caulked all the seams, painted it, and that was our finished product. So it took Seth and I about a day to get all of that in, and you could do it too. So there you go. That is how to install the pocket door. Obviously, we still need to finish painting this one, but opens and closes in the way that a pocket door should. So if you have tips or tricks on how to do this, please comment down below, and let's grow as a community on how to do that. But otherwise, I hope that this video empowers the DIYer in you, and like and comment on the video. Share it with a friend if they're installing a pocket door. Click that subscribe button and stay tuned for more updates from Spirit of a Handyman.
He's got the spirit of a handyman.